this testimonial is from the workshop that was on Saturday, and it was launch your business in 21 days. And I wanted to let you hear it from someone that was there in attendance, and she got so much value from the workshop. But I want to let her tell you a little bit about her and her business, and also let her tell you what did she get from the workshop, what was the pros and cons, and what did she feel like she needed to get else, outside of it. And also because we're meeting here today because she really we're extending an opportunity for us to work together because the information was valuable to her. So I'm gonna let you know more about her testimony and what was the workshop like to her. And forgive us for the noise because we're at a meeting set in Barnes and Noble, and there's a little noise in the background. So hopefully you can hear her testimony.
Again, I'm Donecia Sullivan from Hair and Beauty Treatment Center, and I'm a trichologist or a hair loss specialist. And I came to Miss Sandy because she was spoken of highly and referred by a friend of mine. And my expectations originally was, I have got to meet this lady. I watched one of her videos, and I really like what I was hearing. I like what she was saying. I like the fact that she's here to help you grow your business or move your business forward. So that's what I was looking forward to when I came to the workshop. And I got that. Miss Sandy has been excellent. She's very kind, very, very generous, very sweet. And the information that she gave us was an overload. I had to go back and do a checklist and make sure I had my I's dotted and my T's crossed, and I appreciate that. And there was one thing that stood out to me. I've been in business. I've been doing hair care for 16 years, but I have been specializing for 4. So when I came to Miss Sandy, I brought her my business. It wasn't a startup, but I wanted to make sure my checklist was right. And I expressed to her an idea that I thought was just like, over the moon. And Miss Sandy looked me dead in the eyes and said, I am not going to let you waste your money. I appreciated that. So I appreciate the fact that she is, straightforward. She's honest, but she is very sweet about it. And I do believe that going forward, she is going to continue to pour into me and help me to make the right decisions in the right path. And then just on another side of that, I met a very beautiful couple that was here as well, and they're starting their business, but Miss Sandy actually helped them to realize that they were in business, they just weren't managing it like a business. So if you have, even if it's a small investment, Miss Sandy can actually help you to see the business side of it and put it into a plan so that you can monetize on it. So I do want to say that. But thank you, Miss Sandy.
Okay. Oh, you're welcome. Now tell me any cons, the pros and the cons. Now let me know, because I'm up for criticism too as well.
A con. I honestly don't have anything that I can say in a negative way. We were to meet in a different location, and Miss Sandy adjusted her schedule. That's a pro for me. When we got here, it was supposed to be other people that was here, but it turned out to be a size big enough for us to be able to communicate with her and talk one-on-one and get our thoughts out. I mean, we laughed and we talked about business, but we actually were able to get a lot out of the workshop. That's a pro for me. Miss Sandy called me back to make sure I was satisfied with the day, and I was satisfied with the program, and I was satisfied with the meeting. That's a pro for me. I honestly can say the only thing that I think is a con is the fact that Miss Sandy needs more videos. She needs more people to know that her services are available.
So thank you.